Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Amrita. I am MBBS MD. I'm life coach and a healer. So today's topic of discussion is how to be in happy state in most of the time. We know we can't be happy all the time. It's a human thing. Slowly, some people feel low in the morning, some feel in the evening. It's a common thing. So now I am going to tell you certain tips which will keep you energized and in happy state in most of the time. Or if you are feeling low, how can you quickly switch to the happy state? So you all know the human brain operates by only two things, either to gain happiness or to avoid pain. So only two things by which human brain operates. So what to do when you are feeling low? So whenever you are feeling low, write it somewhere that what you want in your life. Like you are feeling low, you want to feel low all the time? Or if you are feeling bad or struggling in relationship, ask if you want to struggle all the time in the relationship, or if you are getting low confidence and you are not able to move forward, like you are a student, you are very less confident and not studying, not doing something. So ask yourself, do you want to feel that all of your life, or you want to take a switch? So your brain asks, okay, I want to switch to happiness, then what to do? So now you will answer your brain that we will create spark moments, which will create beautiful moments. So how to create that? Very, very, very simple. Your brain can be switched from negative to positive even by fraction of second, even by listening to a single song. एक म्यूजिक जो आपको पसंद है वो चला लीजिए, थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट कर लीजिए. इवन मूवमेंट कैन स्विच योर मूड. इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड, एक म्यूजिक सिस्टम लगा लो, रूम लॉक कर लो. इफ आपको लगता है कि मुझे डांस करता हुआ कोई देखेगा, मूवमेंट करता हुआ देखेगा, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. हम लोग के बारे में बहुत सोचते हैं. वी फियर जजमेंट अ लॉट. सो रूम बंद कर लीजिए, play a music and do whatever movement you want to do. Follow YouTube, anything. Make a cup of coffee, make coffee for someone else, or just pick up phone, call your parents, your friends, colleagues, cousins, जिनसे कभी बहुत दिनों से बात नहीं की है. Just call them and see how you felt after that. You can talk to your kids, you can hug your kids, your pets, anything. You can water the plant, you can love them, you can trim them, you can do some cooking, you can read 2 books. Just change the aura, change the place. And these simple steps, I tell you, these looks very simple, but they are extremely effective. So these will help you to quickly switch your emotion from negative or from low to high. So you can beautifully shape your life, beautifully shape your day, and maintain the happy state all the time, or most of the time. So thank you so much, and please comment me how you implemented it and how you felt after that. So whenever you feel, ask yourself, is that what I want in my life? If no, then do all the things I have told you. And in my group, there is a free healing group link. You can join that group. You can ask me any question, and my email ID is there, so you can ask for any query, or you can ask in comment box. Thank you so much for your time and energy.